Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Access 57 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all we have to enter our browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, so let's tap on it and let's choose the three dots icon. Now let's choose the history right here. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of previously opened websites. In order to remove only one of it, just tap on it and as you can see, it disappears. If you want to remove much more browsing data, simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here, as you can see, we've got some advanced and basic options. In basics, we can remove browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, simply tap on it, and we can also remove saved passwords, out-of-inform data, site settings, and media licenses. What's more, we can change the time range from last 7 days to, for example, last 24 hours. And if you're ready, click on Clear Data. And as you can see here, we've got no history here, so it means that we successfully cleared all browsing data. So that's all. This is how to remove browsing data in your ARCHOS Access 57. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.